Are you ready to see the evolution of GMC's most compact yet powerful SUV? Today we're diving into the exciting journey of the GMC Terrain, from its roots to the groundbreaking 2025 GMC Terrain Denali. If you're a fan of bold designs, luxurious interiors, and cutting-edge technology, this is a ride you don't want to miss. The GMC Terrain made its debut in 2009 as a compact crossover SUV, marking GMC's entry into the small SUV market. The first-generation Terrain, running from 2010 to 2017, was known for its rugged, truck-like design, which set it apart from the more car-like crossovers of its time. With a choice of 4-cylinder and V6 engines, the Terrain offered a balance between fuel efficiency and power, appealing to a broad range of consumers. The second generation, launched in 2018, saw a significant transformation. GMC opted for a more modern, sleek design, reducing the overall size slightly but maintaining a strong presence on the road. The V6 engine was dropped in favor of a trio of turbocharged 4-cylinder engines, catering to those looking for performance with better fuel economy. Fast forward to 2025, and the GMC Terrain has evolved into a sophisticated and tech-savvy SUV, particularly with its Denali trim, which represents the pinnacle of luxury and performance in the Terrain lineup. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the 2025 GMC Terrain Denali. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you'll notice that this SUV means business. Let's break down its design, starting from the front and working our way to the rear. The 2025 GMC Terrain Denali sports a bold, imposing front grille that instantly grabs your attention. The grille is larger and more intricate than previous models, with a chrome finish that adds a touch of luxury. The GMC logo sits proudly in the center, surrounded by sharp, angular LED headlights that provide excellent visibility and a modern look. The C-shaped daytime running lights add to the distinctive front fascia, giving the Terrain Denali a powerful presence on the road. Moving to the side, the 2025 Terrain Denali features sculpted lines and a strong shoulder that emphasize its athletic stance. The large 20-inch alloy wheels with a polished finish not only enhance the SUV's aesthetics, but also contribute to its commanding road presence. The side mirrors are sleek and body-colored, featuring integrated turn signals for added safety. The chrome accents along the windowsills and door handles add a premium touch, while the slightly sloping roofline gives it a dynamic, forward-leaning posture. The rear of the 2025 GMC Terrain Denali is where luxury meets functionality. The LED taillights wrap around the rear corners, ensuring visibility from all angles. The dual exhaust outlets with chrome tips hint at the power that lies beneath the hood. The rear bumper is robust yet stylish, featuring a skid plate that suggests off-road capability, though this Terrain is more at home in urban environments. The subtle spoiler on top of the rear window not only adds to the sporty look, but also helps with aerodynamics. Stepping inside the 2025 Terrain Denali, you're greeted with a world of luxury. The cabin is spacious, with premium leather upholstery that's soft to the touch. The seats are not just comfortable, but also equipped with heating and cooling functions, ensuring maximum comfort regardless of the weather. The dashboard is sleek and modern, with a large floating infotainment screen at the center. This screen is where you'll find GMC's latest infotainment system, offering seamless connectivity, navigation, and access to various apps through a user-friendly interface. Ambient lighting runs across the dashboard and door panels, creating a relaxing atmosphere, especially during night drives. The Denali's interior is also packed with technology, including a heads-up display, a wireless charging pad, and a premium Bose sound system that delivers crystal-clear audio throughout the cabin. Under the hood, the 2025 GMC Terrain Denali doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers a solid 252 horsepower and 260 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, this engine provides smooth acceleration and plenty of power for overtaking on highways or tackling steep inclines. The Terrain Denali also features an advanced all-wheel drive system, ensuring optimal traction in various driving conditions, from wet roads to light off-roading. The suspension has been finely tuned to balance comfort with handling, making the Terrain Denali a pleasure to drive, whether you're navigating city streets or taking a longer road trip. And there you have it, folks, the 2025 GMC Terrain Denali, a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're cruising through the city or heading out for a weekend adventure, this SUV is designed to impress. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts on the new Terrain Denali. Would you take it for a spin? And as always, make sure to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next video.